What I do have is Sensigraft, and it looks and feels like my own hair. I think most men think that this is going to look fake, and I just couldn't be happier with the results that I've achieved. And I think it's achievable for any man. Well, I think that's the beauty of Sensigraft. It allows an individual to carry on with their normal daily life. And that means you can shower in it, you can participate in sports. It's just an absolutely fantastic product that I wish more men knew about. I think most importantly, they are very compassionate people. Maybe that sounds a little weird for a man to say, but they really do care about the customers, and they do want them to look their best at all times. And I think just knowing that they care that you're going to look great when you walk out. And if you have a need to come back in for a touch-up, they're very accommodating and will gladly accept you back in because they want you to look good. I'm very, very happy with the hair that I have, and feel much more confident, and it's just made a big difference in my life. Transitions restored more than just my hair. If I were a guy who had thinning hair and it was bothering me, I'd definitely make an appointment to consult with somebody knowledgeable about hair loss, first off. Ultimately, you may not do anything about it, but at least you know what your options are.